We have completed up to 11 from exercise 1D. Look at question number 12. Here you have asked, find using the distributive property. Already the sum is given, 12, 1. It is given 2 by 5 into 3 by 9 plus 2 by 5 into 5 by 11. Now we have to solve it. So we can solve it to, is there anything cancel? We can cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Anything else? No. So it gives you 2 by 15 plus 10 by, now this 5 I can cancel. This gives you 2 by 11. Is it? Now LCM of 15 and 11 is 165. 2 11s are 22. 15 2s are 11. 15s are, so 15 2s are 30. So this gives you 52 by 165 is the answer. In this way only you have to solve question number 12. Look at 12.3. The question is 1 by 9 into minus 6 by 11 plus 1 by 9 into minus 5 by 7. I cannot put, yes, here I can reduce. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So this gives you minus 2 by 33 plus minus 5 by 63. Is it? Or coming up, minus 2 by 33 plus minus 5 by 63. LCM of 33 and 63. Both are divisible by 3 11s are 3 21s are. So this gives you 21 3s are 63 into 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 6 are 66 and 3 69. Now 33 we have. So 33 21s are. So this gives you minus 42. Now 63 we have. So 63 into 11. This gives you minus 55 or minus 97 by 693 will be the answer. Now question number 13 says verify minus into minus y is same as y for question number 13. So minus into minus y is equal to y. Number 1, the question is y is equal to 12 by 21. So minus y is equal to will be what? Minus 12 by 21. According to the question, minus into minus 12 by 21 is equal to 12 by 21. Minus minus plus 12 by 21 is equal to 12 by 21. Just proved. Only this much you have to do. Nothing else. Number 14 is 27 by 28 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 1 whole 1 by 27. They have asked. Number 14 is 27 by 28 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 27. So minus 1, 1 whole by 27, it gives you minus 28 by 27. As we know, minus, actually this is the minus for whole. The meaning you have to take it always granted. This is for the whole minus. So minus 27 on the 27 into 1 plus 1, 28 by 27. So minus into minus 27, 28 by 27. As we know, number into multiplicative inverse is equal to 1. Any rational number into multiplicative inverse is 1. So 27 by 28 into minus 28 by 27 is equal to, we get minus 1. Is it? Therefore 27 by 28 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 28 by 27. Understood? When the product is 1, then it is a multiplicative inverse. When the product is minus 1, we have got minus 1, so it is not a multiplicative inverse. 14.2 it says, is 0.6 the multiplicative inverse of 1 whole 2 by 3? Give reason. As the here also reason is, as the product is minus 1. This is 14.1. 14.2 it says is 0.6. 0.6. This is 14.2 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 whole 2 by 3. Now 1 whole 2 by 3 means 5 by 3. Is it? So as we know, rational number into multiplicative inverse is 1. So 0.6 into 5 by 3 is equal to, see, it should be 1. 3 2s are 6, or 0.2 into, so 0.5 is 1, or 1.0 is 1. Is it? Therefore 0.6 is a multiplicative inverse of, yes, you can write, therefore yes, 0.6 is a multiplicative inverse of 1 whole 2 by 3 as the product is 1. Number 15. Write the additive inverse and reciprocals of the following. That you have to write. I am not going to write it. Number 16. Divide the additive inverse of this by its reciprocal. What would have been the result had we multiplied the additive inverse of this by its reciprocal? Now here it is asked to divide. First we have to find the division. We have to divide it. Just see. Question number 16. Given rational number is minus 3 whole 2 by 15. So this gives you, the meaning is this: 15 3s are 45, to 47 by 15, and then minus 47 by 15 is a number. So what will be the additive inverse? Additive inverse is equal to 47 by 15, and the reciprocal is equal to 15 by minus 47. Now according to the question, it says divide the additive inverse of this by its reciprocal. So according to the question, additive inverse is divided by its reciprocal. Clear? So what we are going to do? 47 by 15 into minus 47 by 15, or it gives you, see, 47 into 47, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28, and 4 32, 4 7s are 28, 4 4s are 16 and 2 18, 9 8 2 10, 8 3 11 and 1 12, 1 1 2. So this gives you minus 2209 by 225. Then it says, what had been the result if had we multiplied the additive inverse of minus 3 whole 2 by 15 by its reciprocal? If we would have multiplied, what would be the result? If we would have multiplied, if the additive inverse had been multiplied with its reciprocal, then the result would be 47 by 15 into 15 by minus 47. 15 cancel, minus 1. This much you have to write. So for today, this much only. You keep practicing. Next day we will do the next sums. Till then, thank you.